The mountains rise like a fortress high, 'neath the gray and misty sky. Rain's been falling for days on end, in the land where the river's been. Evergreens stand tall and true, dark and green against skies of blue. But these clouds don't part for days in the PNW's winding maze. Rain and pine, they hold me tight, whispers in the falling light. The rivers run their stories deep, the Northwest dreams that never sleep. Women waving from the fishing boats, men in plaid with whiskey notes. Hands are calloused, hearts full of grit. This northern soil's made of it. Pacific winds, they howl and cry across the shoreline carved by time. We know the storm, we hold it close, in the land we love the most. Her voice lilts like a morning dove, his low twang tells of days they've loved. Side by side, they face the rain. In the Northwest, joy and pain.